Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the sneaker fiend. Now today we're going over the Nike Dunk Low in the UCLA colorway. Now before we get into the sneaker, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. With that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. Joining a massive Nike Dunk lineup that will be kicking off early 2021 is this Coast colorway of the Nike Dunk Low. Dressed in a Cell Coast and University gold color scheme, this Nike Dunk Low features a Cell Smooth leather upper with perforated toe box and Coast blue overlays, highlighting the shoe University gold branding on the tongues and heel, as well as covering its insoles. A Cell midsole completes the design. Look for the Nike Dunk Low Coast, aka UCLA, to release January 14th at select Nike retailers and the Nike Sneakers app. The retail price tag is set at $100 US. Now, I'm gonna leave places to cop this shoe in the description below, so make sure you guys check that out. And I will also give you guys my resale predictions. Now, before we do that, let's just look over this shoe. Throughout 2020 and going into 2021, the Nike Dunk and SB Dunks have just been killing it. They came back, the hype is bigger than ever. There's multiple colorways coming out. 2021 is gonna be huge for Nike Dunks. And honestly, I'm really excited about that. I really like the Nike Dunks. I like the SB Dunks. I like the highs, the lows. I like them all. They got great quality, low retail, and they look good. Now, if I was to get this shoe, I would honestly consider painting the yellow to either blue or white or something else. I'm just not a huge fan of the yellow on this shoe, but Nike Dunk has done this in the past where they've made these colorways for different colleges and whatnot. So obviously they have to throw the yellow in there because it makes sense with the school. But either way, it's a very clean colorway. So you have white underlays, blue overlays, like I mentioned, the yellow accents on the tongue as well as the heel and on the insole. The shoe does come with blue laces. I think some white laces would look really good on this shoe as well. Now, this colorway here is actually a women's exclusive release. I think the highest size is a women's 11, which is a men's 9.5. So that's pretty low. That's a true women's exclusive drop. So with that being said, I think resale is actually gonna be really good for this colorway. Usually women's releases have better resale because not only are the women going for it, but the men who can fit in those lower sizes will go for them as well. Now, I'm a 10 in men's, so I can squeeze into a 9.5, so I'll probably still go for that 9.5. Again, it does retail at $100. I see this shoe right after release day going for around $250 to $300, and then within 6 months to a year, hitting 300 plus easy. But yeah, there's my resale predictions. Let me know what you guys think of the shoe. Again, make sure you guys check the links in the description below. Places dropping this shoe, places to enter raffles, all that good stuff. Again, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had